Largage du Macazedem. À tous de DDO, attention pour la séquence d'allumage lanceur. Top. Largage du MAVKM. Allumage triétage, à tous de DDO. Attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top. Et décollage. La propulsion est normale, les paramètres de commande sont normaux.
Well, spectacular. We're off. We're hauling ourselves against the gravity of the Earth. All 336 tons, the equivalent of 22 buses. He's telling us that everything is normal on board. We're heading north. We'll be heading out over the Atlantic, and we are burning 5 engines. 4 on the boosters and 1 on the core stage. But it's the boosters that are doing all the work right now. They're providing 80% of our thrust, and their job is to get us away from the Earth, because of course gravity makes us stick to our planet, stops us flying off into space, but it also makes it very hard for us to leave. These are spectacular pictures we're getting here, Philippe. How are you feeling?
Yes, indeed, this is very, very spectacular. Well, of course, this is a big relief because we're off the ground, and it means that all the preparation work is over. Still, the tension is not over, because now I am and all my colleagues are just expecting and waiting to see that everything will work as predicted.
We should get lucky and see the separation of the boosters. There we go. We can see them falling away, those 4 dots. Isn't that beautiful? Sight. There they are, falling back down to Earth. We don't need them anymore, and we are losing weight, Philippe.
Yes, indeed. We're just following one of law of dynamics. I mean, second law of dynamics from Isaac Newton. And for the layman, we could say, if you want a fast acceleration, you better not carry any dead weight.
So we're now burning the main core stage engine that burns for about 5 minutes, and we can see there Soyuz heading out into the sky. Propulsion is normal. The flight path or trajectory is normal. The fairing is the part at the top of the launch vehicle, which you saw on the ground, and that's protecting, at this moment in time, protecting the launcher. It's got several jobs, hasn't it, Philippe?
Yes, we've just been flying through the dense part of the atmosphere, and the fairing has an aerodynamic shape just to help cut through the air. It also shields the spacecraft from the friction. And it also provided protection for the satellite from the acoustic vibration at liftoff, which are very loud.
I can just imagine. And we can see here at the bottom of the screen, we have the altitude and we have separation of the fairing. So we don't need it anymore. You can actually effectively say we're in space because we don't have any friction anymore.